Hello and welcome to a quick review of the Chocolate Factory. For a longer video in the Dutch language, please visit Dylan and Friends. That's my son's channel. The Chocolate Factory is located in a food court style shopping mall, which you can visit before or after your journey in the factory. The ticket price is cheaper compared to a standard theme park. That said, this attraction will only take a couple of hours to complete. As a one-time experience, it's certainly interesting. However, I doubt you will visit more than once. The location is pretty interesting. First you go to the top of the building and you have to complete missions on your way down. The Chocolate Factory is not suitable for people in wheelchairs. The location is presented as a chocolate factory and the visitors have to perform several activities to produce their own chocolate. It's a combination of a technology exhibit and a storyline involving chocolate. It's not really a chocolate factory. The location, presentation and interactive experiences of the Chocolate Factory are interesting and original. You will not spend a full day here, but it's worth a visit if you like technology, robotics and interactive games. Please like, subscribe and comment if you want to see more English reviews of family-friendly attractions in the Netherlands. Thanks for watching!